Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the boAt Bassheads in-ear headphones. Over here on the box it's written super extra bass, and that's all the information that you get on this side. On the other side we have, there is a small window here. You can see what the in-ear headphones actually look like. It comes with 13.5 mm drivers. The bass came strong as it's written. Half in-ear ergonomic design, it's also written here and you can see as well. One button control with mic and 3.5 mm jack. It also comes with instant voice assistant. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. This is a boAt head sticker from boAt. And this is the product description for the boAt Bassheads. And this is a 1-year warranty card. And this is what the boAt Bassheads 105 in-ear headphones look like. This is your half in-ear design. It's made out of plastic, but it has a nice finish to it. It has a nice green color. What else do we have? This is your media control button. One button for controlling calls and playing music and everything else. The boAt logo is here as well. This is a braided cable. It's around 1 meter long, basically, with this 1 meter long, and it's braided, which is a good touch, which means it is more durable than other earphone cables. And this is your 3.5 mm jack. And this is what you find inside the box containing the boAt Bassheads 105 in-ear headphones. Thank you for watching.